أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. نحن خلقناكم فلولا تصدقون. أفرأيتم ما تمنون أأنتم تخلقونه أم نحن الخالقون. نحن قدرنا بينكم الموت وما نحن بمسبوقين على أن نبدل أمثالكم وننشئكم فيما لا تعلمون. ولقد علمتم النشأة الأولى فلولا تذكرون. أفرأيتم ما تحرصون أأنتم تزرعونه أم نحن الزارعون. أفرأيتم ما تحرثون أأنتم تزرعونه أم نحن الزارعون. لو نشاء لجعلناه حطاما فظلتم تفكهون. إنا لمغرمون بل نحن محرومون. أفرأيتم الماء الذي تشربون أأنتم أنزلتموه من المزن أم نحن المنزلون. لو نشاء جعلناه جاجا فلولا تشكرون. أفرأيتم النار التي تورون أأنتم أنشأتم شجرتها أم نحن المنشئون. نحن جعلناها تذكرة ومتاعا للمقوين فسبح باسم ربك العظيم.
We have created you, so why do you not believe? Have you seen that which you emit? Is it you who creates it, or are we the creator? We have decreed death among you, and we are not to be outdone. In that we will change your likenesses and produce you in that form which you do not know. And you have already known the first creation, so will you not remember? And have you seen that seed which you sow? Is it you who makes it grow, or are we the grower? If we willed, we could make it dry debris, and you would remain in wonder, saying, indeed, we are now in debt. Rather, we have been deprived. And have you seen the water that you drink? Is it you who brought it down from the clouds, or is it we who bring it down? If we willed, we could make it bitter, so why are you not grateful? And have you seen the fire that you ignite? Is it you who produced its tree, or are we the producer? We have made it a reminder and provision for the travelers, so exalt the name of your Lord, the Most Great.
الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يتلونه حق تلاوته أولئك يؤمنون به ومن يكفر به فأولئك هم الخاسرون.
Those who embraced Islam from Bani Israel, to whom we gave the book, the Torah, or those, Muhammad's companions, to whom we have given the book, the Quran, recite it, obey its orders and follow its teachings, as it should be recited, followed, they are the ones who believe therein. And whoso disbelieve in it, the Quran, those are they who are the losers.